In this tutorial, I will explain to you how to add a website link to your favorites on Mac Safari browser. First, open Safari on Mac and visit the website you want to bookmark, like ABC News. Now, from the top menu, select Bookmarks and add bookmark or press Command-N-D from the keyboard to add a bookmarks list. Here, you can rename it and shorten it from the default name. Once you are done, click on the Add button to add the website to your favorites list. Now, open a new tab to move the home page like this. Here are all the bookmarked links. If this section is not showing, enable it and show it from the Edit option at the bottom right corner. Select the favorite section to appear on the home page all the time. Here are 24 URLs we can show. Reset of the URLs we can access from the browser's sidebar. From the top menu, under the View menu, click on the Show Bookmarks sidebar. Expand the Favorites section. Here, you can reorder the last added link at the top position by selecting it and dragging it to the top like this. Or you can reorder the link shortcut from a home page like this. To delete or edit a bookmarked link, right-click on the website name and select the option for Edit Address. Rename or delete if you want to remove from the list completely. That's all about the Add Website link to Bookmarks and how to manage it on your Safari browser. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment for more help.